Okay, we will talk about classes and objects. All right. So in the past, we did declare variables. Let's say int equal to x, and here x is a variable. All right. X is a variable, and int is a type, right? And we assign a value 10 to x. So what this really means is there is a memory location x and we put value 10 in there, right? That's all to it. So we'll look into classes, all right? So classes are little more interesting than simple variables, okay? Let's take example class. A class person, all right, and we'll simply say a variable int, say age. Okay, this is a very simple example. All right, person, it has a one field. Okay, so if you want to define an object of type person, we simply say person, let's say s1. So in this case, s1 is an object of type person. This is the type. And what is person? Person is a class. All right. So when we say person s1, we are defining a memory location called s1, and here it has only one member variable, age. That's all to it. Yeah. And when we say s1 dot age, that means we are referring to this variable age in the object s1 of type person. So in this case, when we say s1 dot age, dot is the how we refer to a member variable in an object. Okay, let's say 10, we simply place 10 here. That's it. And if you have a variable, say int x equal to s1 dot age, in this case we are reading the variable of the object s1 and copying into integer x. So in this case it's writing, we are writing here, and here we are reading. Okay, so this is a very simplified version of a class. So let's try to write a simple program and I'll show you how it is done. Let's say int main Alright, so let's go and define class person int age equal. That's all. It's very simple. C++ always makes you to define variables, public, private, or protected, a friend. There are different versions of it. So we will just make public for now. So here we have a defined a person called class called person, and integer is a member variable. We call sometimes member variable, it could be state variable. There are different names, but they all mean the same thing. Okay, and we have a main function. So let's define int x. Okay, and person s1. It's much similar to what we have been talking, right? Here we go. Person s1. That's what we have done here. See that? And we say s1 dot age equal to 10, and we'll print it out. Age equal s1 dot age. All right, very simple, right? So if we let's see, go and compile it. It'll always take time for the first time. There is an error. Line number 8. It says line number 8 expected semicolon. So let's go and figure this out. Oh, here. That's missing. Oops, there are more errors. Okay. Using name space std. Okay, it's compiled. Alright, so if you do it, say age equal to 10. So that is a very simple version of a C++ class and an object. Alright, so we're able to print it. Okay, let's try to expand this class little more, okay, in our next video.